Honourable Ministers, Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable MPs, Honourable MLAs, Chief Secretary, CRC, and senior officers. I thank the people of Odisha for their cooperation in our fight against COVID-19. Our state is prone to multiple and recurring natural disasters. Despite being so vulnerable to different natural disasters, we are well prepared to face any situation. Last year, the state was affected by cyclones Fani and Bulbul, besides floods, heavy rain, and other localized disasters. This year also, the northern coastal districts have been affected by the super cyclone Amphan in the third week of May. With the cooperation of the people of Odisha, we have been able to not only manage these disasters successfully, but also support our neighboring state of West Bengal. Our state has always learned from the past disasters and tried to improve in its response. This continuous process of learning and improving disaster response has received accolades from all quarters. This year, the southwest monsoon has set in Odisha on time. As per predictions of the India Meteorological Department, the monsoon during the year will be normal. The period from June to October is a crucial period of the year, during when the natural calamities like drought, flood, or cyclone may occur. We have to review our preparedness for these disasters. A number of disaster risk reduction and capacity building initiatives have been undertaken to reduce the vulnerability of the people to different disasters. Our preparedness will be a dynamic one, holistic and participatory. Advanced preparation, fast rescue and recovery interventions, and long-term mitigation measures form the core principles of our approach, and Odisha is one of the pioneers in institutionalizing the community-based preparation. In fact, our experience in community-based response has been greatly useful in COVID management as well. I would like to direct all the departments and functionaries to follow our time-tested standard operation procedures and remain prepared. I will now request the Honourable Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management to briefly apprise the members about the preparedness of the government, after which the Honourable members may give their valuable suggestions for the effective management of possible disasters in the state. Bande Utkal Jal.